Hey, how's it going, David? I got off the phone with Mariana, and I just wanted to make you this quick video showing you how to beat Air Duct Cleaning Houston when somebody types in Air Duct Cleaning Houston because they come up number one beside these back pages. And you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. I just educate business owners. I found out a little while ago a lot of them don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them customers just because they're so busy taking care of their own. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I give away these free attack plans. Some people take them themselves, some people call me back. Whatever you want to do is okay with me. I'm just trying to educate business owners. This is going to be a really quick video because whoever's doing your SEO is doing a lot correctly. Typically, what I talk about is content, backlinks, and citations. But your website's already beautiful, and you have 4,000 words of content on this page, and you have a lot of keywords inside of it. So that part I'm going to skip through. Whoever's doing this for you is great. After doing some research, I found where your problem is lying. And if I go and I compare you guys back to back, so I don't know if you're in charge of the SEO or your SEO guy is keeps you up to date on what's going on with like or how SEO works. But just if you don't know, a quick primer. Backlinks are when other websites link to you, and you currently have 288 websites linking to you. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. So they want to see relevant websites linking to you. And you actually have more websites than Air Duct Cleaning Houston, and they are a little bit more powerful. So you're probably wondering what the heck's going on. The reason why is something I'm getting a little more in depth, but I'm only doing this specifically for you because you already have an SEO person. If you go over to anchors here, anchor texts are what the link is or what the text is when somebody gives you a link, right? And I don't know if that's the best way. Like, okay, when somebody puts a link to your homepage, whatever the text is that is linking to your homepage is called an anchor text. So a lot of the anchor text is your actual URL. Like someone's typing in your URL and that links to your page. Some of them you see like Go Coupon, that's 6 times. Houston Air Duct Cleaning, that's a good anchor text. That was only used 2 times. And then Air Duct Cleaning Houston, your main keyword, you only have 1 anchor text. If I look at that compared to these guys, Air Duct Cleaning Houston, I go over to their anchor texts. 46 websites are linking to them with the anchor text Air Duct Cleaning Houston. So this is one of the reasons they're outranking you, and you want to make sure that you build more backlinks on top of the ones you have and get more of them linking to you that way, the way they do. If you go and you look and you can find all this stuff for free. I just pay for this tool, but you can just type in like backlink checker and you can find this stuff out. If you go see what links they have linking to them and you get those exact same links pointing back to you, it's going to help you rank because if those links are good enough for them, they're good enough for you as well. So I would just go down this list and get these same links pointing back to you, but just use the proper anchor text. And then if we go and look over here at the last place I want to show you is this Google My Business section right here. It's free to get here, and it's actually where the most traffic goes. So if you want to beat takeair.com, you need to have more citations than them. Getting a citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory on the internet. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And so what I would do is I'd figure out what directories Take Air was in. I'd put myself in those same ones and then add a bunch more on top. If they were in like 150 directories, I'd be in like 300. And that's all I've got for you, David. I hope you found this informative. I tried to keep it short and sweet to the point for you. Just as a really quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage. You're also going to want to have, I would fix your anchor text. I would copy the links that they have and then get this exact keyword as your anchor text. And then I put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Take Air. And if you follow these 3 steps, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. So I'd recommend if you have an SEO person to just give them this information and have them get started on this right away. Because the sooner you do this, the sooner you start making money off of your website. If you want any help getting this stuff done, or if you have any other questions, my phone number is right down here at the bottom right. You can give me a call anytime. And I look forward to hearing back your feedback either way. Thank you so much, David. Have a great day.